Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Today I'm going to start with a really silly story. It's called The Hiccupotamus. This book was written by Aaron Zenz. Now I noticed there's not another name on the cover of this book. That's weird. Maybe it's because Aaron Zenz is the author and the illustrator. He writes the text and he draws the pictures. Sometimes that happens. Not everyone has someone draw pictures for them. Okay, here is our title page, The Hiccupotamus. There was a hippopotamus who hiccuped quite a lot of miss, and every time he got a miss, he'd fall upon his bottomus. Oh my goodness, listen to all that rhyming. This is silly. One day he saw an elephant with cakes of green and yellowfant. He tried to tell her, "Hello, Fint!" But it didn't go so well, Fint. Uh-oh. Oh boy. She chased him toward a centipede, pouring new cementipede. He'd hiccuped by accidentipede. Poor guy, having the hiccups is the worst. And tripped the elephantipede. They ran near a rhinoceros with minty dental flosserus. His string went all crisscrosserus. And that was the last strawcerus. Oh boy, look at their eyes. They don't look very happy. And look at poor Hiccupotamus. Does he look like he did it on purpose? Or maybe he's feeling bad? I think maybe he's scared. They do look kind of mean. They tried to find a therapy, some cure which they could share a pea, a what or why or where a pea, to stop this long nightmare-a-pea. So, wonder what they're gonna do. They wrapped him round with licorice and spun him very quickerish. Oh, I don't think that helped. They secured him to a buffalo and made him huff and puffalo. They acquired an aquarium and flashed him something scarium. Boo! They poured him tubs of vinegar and tickled his chinny-chin-chiniger. And then at last, a miracle. His hiccups, so severical, just didn't reappearical. He grinned from ear to earicle until... Oh my goodness, now all of his friends have the hiccups. Oh jeez. And look, now he's trying to figure out how to fix it. So funny. I told you that was a very silly story, and it has really weird words, but they all sound the same because they rhyme. Okay, today in Writer's Workshop, we've been learning about some new things at school each day, and I want you to think about one thing that you've learned about that you're really excited about, or maybe it's something that you didn't know about before, and we're going to write about that today. So I'm gonna get my piece of paper out. Remember, it's the one that says, "Look at me right" at the top. Now remember, yesterday I sang a little song as we wrote our names, so let's sing it again because some of you may have forgotten it. It goes, name on your paper, first things first, where does it go? On top. Good job. I'm glad you remembered it. Okay, so the thing that I have enjoyed learning about is all of you guys. And we've had to learn about each other in a different way this year. And it's kind of cool because I get to see a little bit more about you. So what I'm going to draw, it might not look very good, but I'm going to try my best because that's all that matters. And I'm going to draw us learning about each other. And we've been learning about each other through our computer and our daily meetings, our Zoom meetings. So I'm going to draw my table, my desk at school, and I'm going to draw a computer. I know that sounds so silly to draw the computer, but that's how I've been seeing you guys. And then on the computer, I'm gonna draw some little boxes because doesn't that look like our Zoom meetings? We have pictures of everybody. Now this is gonna be the hard part. I'm gonna have to draw little miniature heads, little tiny heads. So I'm just gonna kind of do this because when it's at this level, it's really kind of hard to see. But I'm gonna try and make it look like people as much as I can. So we'll just make different ones. I know it looks really funny, but you guys get the idea of what I'm trying to write. And I bet if you were to show someone, they would probably know what this meant, that you were having a meeting on your computer. Oh, I need a keyboard, don't I? Because we all have keyboards. Now you guys have a Chromebook, so yours might look a little different. And I have a little mouse that's attached. Okay, now I also probably want to add my chair. I have a green chair. Now this is where it's going to get tricky because I'm not the best at drawing chairs. It has some wheels, and then here's the back. We'll color it in. And then I need to draw me on the chair, so here's my legs and my body and my head, and then I'm going to put my hand right here. Oh, but I need clothes because I don't want to be naked. Oh, I can't use purple. I used purple yesterday. Let's see. We'll draw a blue dress today. I've got a blue dress on. It's kind of hard to draw from this side, but we're doing a good job. And let's see. Did I forget anything? I think I look pretty good. What do you guys think? No? I forgot my hair? Oh, no. I need hair. Wait a minute. How can I see you? I don't have any eyes. I need eyes. I can't talk if I don't have a mouth. Oh, my goodness. And I definitely can't smell or hear you if I don't have a nose or ears. And how am I going to walk around if I don't have any feet? Let's put some red shoes on. I'll have some red shoes. Okay. And then we also need the background or the setting. Right now it looks like I'm floating in outer space because there's nothing there. So I'm going to draw a big board because we have a whiteboard in our classroom. And let's see, what else do we have? We have a rainbow wall. Remember a rainbow wall? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. That's not blue. Blue, purple. That's where we have all of our words, our sight words that we will have eventually. And then we also have a big rug on the carpet or on the floor, and it has squares too. Okay? So I want you to think about something that you've learned about this year so far, and I want you to draw it, whether it's learning about new friends, or maybe just one friend that you've learned about that maybe you didn't know before, or maybe you really like math time, or you like phonics, or reading, or maybe one of the other teachers. So I would like you to write about that today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.